to my channel. So as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this hair, on this look. Sorry for lighting out, it's pretty dark, and I did switch my cameras if y'all can tell by the quality. Well, y'all haven't seen the video yet. What am I saying? I'm going to just get right into the video. Thank you guys. I'm about to say thank you guys so much for watching. This is still the beginning. Okay, I think I'm doing the outro. Anyways, onto the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I feel like styles like this come out so much better when my hair is freshly washed for some reason. I'm not sure why, but all I have in my hair is just leave-in conditioner, nothing else. And I'm going to just start off the back half of my head. I do have a pretty in-depth video. I'll put in the iCards above, but this video is also pretty in-depth. That's why it's so long, so I'm so sorry for that. But yes, this video is going to be pretty long, so I'm not going to sit here and talk about the entire thing. But yes, I start off in the back half of my head, and this is me praying because it's going to be a process, y'all, and I was not excited about this at all. So I'm going to start off with taking some Eco Styler gel and just start off in the back half of my head. I'm just showing you guys, I do use two different brushes. I use a hard bristle brush, which is like the greenish, dark greenish looking kind of brush, and then the light brown brush is my soft bristle brush. So you use the hard bristle to get out, you know, basically do the majority of the work, and then the soft bristle brush is to basically just have like a smoothing effect for it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just section off my hair. While it's only half of it, it just makes it easier throughout the entire process, sectioning off. Instead of having to deal with, you know, a big bulky section of a ponytail, I'll deal with half of it, twist it up, and then once I get to the second half, I'll twist that up too, and then deal with the whole thing once it's already, when the whole ponytail is like complete and everything is kind of already sectioned off. Then I will take out the sections and make another. Y'all see, it's hard to explain, but y'all see. At this point, y'all, when I say I was tired, like my arms hurt, and I'm not even like close to being done. Okay, so right there, I don't think y'all understand. Like, this took so much arm work. Like, my arms were burning. Like, you would think I was lifting weights. Like, it took me so long. I don't know how long that clip was, but it took me so long to get my hair in a ponytail. Like, oh my God, that's what I honestly, truly hate doing these type of styles. They're so cute, but they're so painful to do. Oh my God. So here I'm just using a edge brush. Well, I'm using the fine tooth comb end of an edge brush to just cover up, or not cover up, just to fill in those gaps. So I don't really worry about the gaps like by like my part while I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, because that's kind of like a minor detail that I can fix later on. So now I'm just going in and filling in any gaps, closing them up. I just use a fine tooth comb to kind of fill in the gap, and then I use the brush on the edge brush to kind of smooth it out and just kind of help it blend it in a little further. Hopefully that makes sense, but that's what I'm doing. So now we can finally get onto the braiding part. So I have this like 2-in-1 Rua 30-inch braiding hair. It is already pre-stretched. So I'm going to just take one of the packs of hair. They already come rubber band and everything. So I'm going to take the rubber band, and like I said, this is also self-explanatory. put the rubber band around my actual hair, around my ponytail, and just wrap that around. And then I'm going to section the braiding hair into 3 parts and section my hair into 3 parts. So I have 2 twists per part, if that makes sense. So I have 2 in one section, 2 in the middle section, and then 2 on the far left end section. And those are going to be my 3 section parts. I'm just going to untwist them. Well, untwist all the sections and then start to braid. So one thing you can do, which I felt like I was too lazy to do at this point, you know, my hair was in twists and it's kind of curly and the braiding hair is a little bit more on the straighter side. You can just kind of comb it out like really and hold the hair taut, so that way the curls don't pop out and it's not as textured. I mean, it wasn't really noticeable. You guys can barely see it, but just kind of like a little tip if you want to have more of a blended look. It wasn't really a problem for me, but just a little FYI. So when I get to the end of my hair, I do borrow hair. I know people tell you not to do that, but I didn't care. I do borrow some hair because I was almost done. I wanted to get this thing over with, basically. So I just braid all the way down to the end, and then I will show you guys what I do at the base. So looking back on it, I could have done both packs of the hair. I only used 1 bundle of the pack. And as you can see, my braid is a bit on the thinner side. Like it's thick at the top and then it, thins out the bottom. But if you don't want it that way, you can just simply do like a feed-in braid. Like you just add pieces of hair as you braid down. I personally don't know how to do that, or at least I don't know how to do that yet. So I was just working with what I got. So I just decided to start to fluff out the braid. Just pull it apart very gently just to kind of thicken it up a little bit and just give it more of a softer and not so neat kind of look. And it also just thickens it up at the same time. And as you can see, I left out a piece of hair just to have something to wrap the hair at the base. I did mess up when I was braiding it, but because it's a dark color, you can't really even tell. You can't tell. So, but I would just kind of be cautious of this, when you're actually braiding. So I just simply wrap the piece of hair around the section that I left out. Once again, pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this in so many ponytail videos, and this kind of just helps to neaten, the base with your ponytail, if that makes sense. And so now here I'm just doing my edges and just also fixing any kind of little minor details that I feel like need to be fixed. If I see any gaps or anything like that, I'll fix that. That's kind of like the time where I would do this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now this is the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Let me know what you guys also thought of this hairstyle. Let me know if you try this hairstyle. Let me know if you learned anything. Let me know. Just let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.